Here's a question for all of you motorcycle enthusiasts. What comes to your mind first when you hear the word ADV or adventure motorcycle? If I am being asked the same question, my answer would be the Triumph Tiger 800 series. Iconic motorcycles, and after a successful run for over a decade, Triumph motorcycles have come up with a new generation of Tigers, the Triumph Tiger 900 series. It comes in two variants, the Triumph Tiger 900 GT Pro, which replaces the Triumph Tiger 800 XCX, and the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro, which succeeds the Triumph Tiger 800 XRX. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel once again, and today we are going to talk about the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro. Coming to the design, let me tell you the Triumph Tiger 900 is designed from scratch and it bears no resemblance to the previous generation of the Tigers. The Triumph Tiger 900 is sharper, tighter, and yet it is aggressive at the same time. I mean, the pictures do not do justice at all to this beautiful motorcycle. It might look sleek and compact, but if you look at it up front, for someone like me who's 5'8", it might get as intimidating as it can. However, when you sit on the motorcycle, it instills all the confidence back on you. Because of the perfectly balanced seat height of 850mm with which I could put both my feet on the ground despite the massive ground clearance of 203mm. In fact, the engine is also designed from scratch and it gets the same stroke as the previous Triumph Tiger 800, but it has a bigger bore and a different firing order. This means that you no longer get the iconic Triumph whistle and instead you get this. It has a rumble and a grunt to it, which I personally love listening to. Speaking about the engine, it still is an inline 3-cylinder 888cc liquid-cooled DOHC engine which churns out a max power of 95.2 PS at 8,750 RPM and a max torque of 87 Nm at 7,250 RPM. Since the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro is the top-end version, you get top-of-the-line brakes from Brembo. Twin 320mm discs with the infamous Stylema calipers up front and a single 255mm disc at the rear. Suspension on the front is a fully adjustable Showa 45mm USD fork with 240mm of travel, and on the rear you get a fully adjustable Showa monoshock unit with 230mm of travel. Speaking about the tires, Triumph have finally ditched the tubed wheels, and thus in the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro you get tubeless spoke wheels. On the front is a 21-inch 90x90 profile tire, and on the rear is a 17-inch 150x70 profile. The Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro weighs just about 196 kgs dry. It is also paired with a 20-litre massive fuel tank, which should be enough to take you places. Coming to the electronics, the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro is loaded to the T. It gets an IMU and thus it gets 6 riding modes, cornering ABS, lean sensitive traction control, quick shifter and the works. It also gets a 7-inch multi-purpose TFT screen which is very intuitive and interactive as well. It gets Bluetooth connectivity and turn-by-turn navigation. In fact, you can also connect your intercoms to your motorcycle, and that's not it. You can even control your GoPro through your motorcycle. This is so exciting, isn't it? Now the price. The Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro comes at an ex-showroom price tag of Rs 15.50 lakhs. And this is completely justifiable taking into account that the motorcycle is supremely feature-packed. That, ladies and gentlemen, is all about the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro. A first ride video is gonna come soon. Alright, before we close the video, I want to take this opportunity once again to thank the entire team behind Triumph Bhubaneswar, Mr. Dev Prakash Didwania, Avinash Prushti and Sujit Kumar Dhal as well for hooking me up with the motorcycle and getting this entire video done. They have been supportive throughout this entire video. Thank you to all of you once again. Let me know in the comments if you liked the video, and also do not forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the bell icon so that you do not miss out on the fun. In case you have any queries or promotions, write to me on the below email ID or simply hit me up on Instagram. I'll see you soon in my next video. Ciao.